So we've recently received a question from a client that asks, basically they have a Bommer 7811, and the question is, after loosening the tension by counterclockwise, I'm reading the question, the thread is loosening, and the door doesn't spring. It doesn't work to turn the adjustment collar clockwise as the collar is loosening. How can I reset the tension and make the adjustment collar work? Okay, so it is not at all listed in the installation instructions really how to set the tension on this whatsoever. And I can only imagine that Bommer concludes that it's quite self-evident how to go about doing that. This is the tension rod. Every order that you place for every one of these that you order, you'll get a tension rod. And what the client is saying is, as we insert the tension rod into the tension collar, you'll note there are some threads on the side here. So that collar is threaded, and if you look right at the tip of my finger, you'll see more threads. So this entire area is threaded. What the client is saying is that when they turn the tension collar, it actually doesn't change its position on the threaded stem. It doesn't really move at all. Now you'll notice over here that item rotates with it. Okay, it's not at all mentioned in the installation instructions, but you just are going to grab that with your pliers. And at that point, you will be able to turn and adjust that tension easily. I'll do it on the other side so you can see it better. So as I continue to turn that, and I'm holding the rod stable so that it can't spin, you can see I increase the tension. So all you need to do is to get pliers around this end right here. Grab that with your pliers. It won't move. You can then set your tension. This instruction is directly from the head of engineering from the manufacturer. So it is a factory standard way by which to go about adjusting the tension on the Bommer 7811. If you rotate that tension collar on any of the 7800 series and the entire horizontal rod moves with it, grab the end with pliers. Thank you very much.